Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can add webcam in Streamlabs OBS. So let's start. Let's just lower this one. What you want to do is in sources, click plus, and when you're gonna click plus, you will have it here. Video capture device. Click on that and add source. Right now you can see myself in that camera right there, but I got second camera right here. So I will add it and I have it here. Now when I'm gonna click on a right click, there are a few things first. What you can do, you can transform it. For example, flip horizontal. Many people who are starting on stream, they are going to flip horizontal the webcam only because they look better on a mirror. like I like to look on myself when I look like this, because in the moment when I'm going to flip horizontal, this is not how I look in real life, so it's not okay for me to look on it. So this is how I look in real life. The structure of bones is kind of different. I don't know how to explain that. So when you're gonna click on the properties, you can change the camera here to the second one. I have a big mess here because I'm building a new computer, but whatever. So when I'm going to click on here, I don't have the lighting right now, but this is my room and I got a new computer here. Oh, I want to show you something before we continue. I got a new graphic card. Wait for it. I bought a new graphic card because I have multiple YouTube channels. Look at that beauty. RTX 2080 Super GeForce, WineForce, whatever. And I'm so excited to build a new computer. So, and we are going to continue. Wait, give me a second. Opa. Okay, I'm back. So, now you have resolution, FPS type. You can have custom, or when you want to have a full screen of you, when you're gonna press custom, you can choose like 1080, 720, and it's already bigger, right? So that's how we do it. Properties. Now another thing is FPS just match output. You don't really need to care about it. Color space is fine. Buffering, auto detect, also I would just leave it like that. And capture audio only, you can choose output desktop audio or output. I just leave it like this. So this is how we do it, and it's kind of it. You can also, this wasn't here like 1 year ago, you couldn't configure the video, and you can increase the brightness or the contrast. What I recommend, if you are, I want to show you something. Okay, let's choose the second camera, and I recommend what you should buy. You should definitely buy lightning. So right now you can see that I'm kind of yellow. That's because my main light is on in the room. But if I'm going to close this one and look at that, I'm going to start my studio light. Look at it. This is the studio light right here. And the lighting is much better. And look at this. When I'm going to play this here and like here, okay. And look, without the lightning, it's all dark. But with the lightning, you can see yourself that this is much better. What I would do right now is I would maybe increase the gamma, who knows, the contrast a little bit. But the quality, the whole quality of the video is like astonishing. So this is what you should buy, and it costs like 30 euros, so definitely go and buy. And you will be so damn happy, trust me. So this is how you add webcam. Yeah, I know I was talking a little bit about different stuff, but yeah. Also what you can do, if you want to make it bigger, just hold Control and do it like this. Really easy, right? So simple. yep, thank you everybody very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support with subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And also write down below in the comments what else would you like to learn, and I will make a tutorial on it. Yeah, it's so damn interesting to see myself, because I don't record with a camera a lot. Thank you and goodbye. Pow, pow, pow.